Would you like to be part of the movement to restore Florida's natural habitats? Florida Sea Grant and the Guy Harvey Ocean Foundation have created a new coastal shoreline restoration course, which focuses on building living shorelines. I'm Shelley Johnson with the Florida Master Naturalist Program, and we are now teaching this course to residents and visitors throughout Florida. Living shorelines use natural materials as alternatives to seawalls for erosion control. Materials like oyster reefs, mangroves, and marsh grasses. In this course, you will spend some time in the classroom and a full day in the field doing hands-on restoration, such as building the base of future oyster reef or monitoring restoration sites. The Florida Master Naturalist Program is helping communities that are concerned about restoring degraded shorelines. Living shorelines will make a positive impact to Florida's future. If you would like to be part of our exciting new course, visit our website at masternaturalist.org.